Hey everyone, welcome back to Grow My Savings. If you've ever felt like your paycheck disappears the moment it hits your account, this one's for you. Today, we're talking about the Paycheck Plan, a simple system to make every dollar count, reduce stress, and actually grow your savings month after month. Let's get started. Here's the truth. Most people don't have a spending plan like they just have spending habits. Money comes in, bills go out, and somehow there's never enough left. The problem isn't how much you make, it's how you manage what you have. That's why creating a paycheck plan is so powerful. It's not about restriction, it's about intention. You're giving every dollar a job and making sure your money works for you, not against you. The first rule of the paycheck plan: pay yourself first. Before you spend on bills, groceries, or fun, take a portion, even 10%, and move it to your savings or investment account. Think of it as a non-negotiable bill, the future you bill. You can automate this with your bank. So every payday, money instantly moves to savings. You'll be surprised how fast this habit builds wealth quietly in the background. Here's a simple way to divide your paycheck. 50% for needs, rent, utilities, food, and essentials. 30% for wants, fun, dining out, travel, or hobbies. Percent for savings or debt repayment. You can tweak the numbers to fit your life, but this formula gives your money structure and flexibility. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress and awareness. Want to know the secret to consistency? Automation. Set up automatic transfers for bills, savings, and investments. That way you remove willpower from the equation. You don't have to remember to save, it just happens. Apps like YNAB, Mint, or even simple bank rules can do this for you. Less mental load, more financial peace. Finally, once a month, sit down and review. Ask yourself, where did my money go? What worked? What didn't? Small tweaks, like cutting unused subscriptions or cooking more, can add up to hundreds saved every month. Remember, your paycheck plan isn't fixed. It evolves with you. The goal is simple: to make sure your money reflects your priorities and supports your long-term goals. So, if you're ready to stop feeling broke between paydays, start your paycheck plan today. It's not about earning more, it's about managing smarter. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to Grow My Savings, and share this with someone who's ready to take control of their money.